Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start with Permissions and the Power Options app. Make sure you're signed into an admin account, then press Start and type Power Options, or open Control Panel Hardware and Sound Power Options. Once done, locate your active power plan and click Change Plan Settings. This step gives you access to screen timeout values. Make sure to adjust both on battery and plugged in if applicable. You're now ready to edit timeout durations and advanced settings. Next, change the visible timeout values and dive into advanced options. In Change Plan Settings, choose longer minutes or set to never from the drop-downs, then click Change Advanced Power Settings. Once the dialog opens, expand Display and adjust Turn Off Display After and Console Lock Display Off Timeout. Make sure to adjust both battery and plugged profiles so behavior is consistent. Apply and OK will save. These advanced tweaks override some app-level behaviors, so test after applying. Finish by saving and testing your new settings. Click Save Changes, then lock and unlock or wait to confirm the display stays on for the set interval. If values don't stick, restart the PC and recheck. Also open Settings System Power and Battery to match modern controls. If corporate group policy or OEM power software is forcing timeouts, you'll need to edit that policy or disable the vendor utility. Contact IT if you lack rights. That single troubleshooting step fixes most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.